Meaning of immunize.
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 Immunize. The term immunize refers to the process of protecting someone from a particular disease or infection by introducing a vaccine or antibody. This process triggers the immune system to create antibodies that specifically target and eliminate the pathogen if it is encountered again in the future. The result of immunization is a reduced risk of developing the disease or severe complications from it. Immunization is one of the most effective interventions for preventing infectious diseases, such as measles, polio, and COVID-19, and has contributed significantly to improving global public health.